So in this video I'm going to show you my first web application that I make, and you know what can you do in this application. Like, you can create a post, and if someone want to comment on your post, then that people can comment on your post. So let's see. So I have already done something here. So I will sign in first with my, this is my main account. I have logged into my main account. I'm going to delete that post that I have created before. Okay, right. So okay, I'm going to create a post. We are storing your data in our database. So let's create this post. So our post has been created, right? So our post has been created. Now we're gonna comment on the post, right? Now we're gonna comment. So even I can comment on my one post, right? Anyone can comment it in one post. So I will not comment on my one post. So I will log in with my another ID. I have 3 ID, dude. So I'm gonna log in with my another ID. So let's sign out first. I will do it Nitin Junior. So basically, yeah, these things are gonna happen. You can comment in other post, and even you can do a like. And sorry, we know you do. Yes, you know we do. You do store. You store. Yes, we know that. Yes, we know. So let's add a comment. So the comment is added, and we can see the comment is added, and the time, date, and everything is there. And listen, let's sign out, and let other people can comment on this. So I'll sign in with my another account. So let's be commenting, right?